Now, let's imagine you need to edit a file and the browser is all you have, and you need to use Illustrator on the web. And of course, your existing file has some objects in it that Illustrator on the web can't handle, some special appearances and stuff like that. So what does Illustrator do with this kind of objects? Let's check it out, and I'm going to the home page, and let's just leave this and then go down here to the files, and I'm going to open this file which I know has special objects in it. And you see the warning, some features are under construction, so Illustrator knows I have used something in there which it can't handle. And it's not this object up here, so this is normal, just some shapes with dashes applied. But this one down here, and you see it puts the question mark, so let's check it out in the layers panel. So there's just a path and the question mark again, and it knows it can't edit this. So, and I can't even move it. It's just locked for editing. So you can add something in here in this file. So let's just do that. Let's just add some text in here, and let's add an object in here, and then let's just have this document. I'm going to rename it. Let's call this edited, and then let's go to Illustrator, and it should have that file in here. There it is. I'm going to open it in Illustrator, and then let's check out this object, and of course in the appearance panel this should be okay, and it is. You see all my appearances are there, so Illustrator didn't erase that or expand that, it just left it alone. So that's what it does with these existing objects.